Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks the stream. Make sure your Xbox has the latest system update and that you're signed into the same Xbox account on both the console and the device you'll use for remote play. Once done, connect your console via wired Ethernet for stability and put your phone or PC on a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to reduce latency. Now enable remote features in console settings so the console accepts incoming remote connections. Next, you handle the heavier configuration that actually lets the stream work smoothly. In Settings, enable remote features and set power mode to instant on so the console waits for connections. If you still can't connect, log into your router and enable UPnP or forward Xbox Live ports to the console's IP to avoid NAT issues. Make sure your controller is paired to the device running the Xbox app via Bluetooth or USB. This reduces input lag and keeps the controls responsive during play. Finally, you complete setup and verify performance. Launch the Xbox app and test with one game. If you notice stutter, lower streaming resolution in the app or in console streaming options to stabilize frame rate. If problems persist, restart your router, console, and the client device. This often clears transient network faults. One key troubleshooting tip: check NAT type, aim for open or moderate. If NAT is strict, adjust router settings or enable UPnP to resolve connectivity failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.